see, nice Khmer iconography. Right? Can't even say my words. It's a cool mirror here. There you are. Bed is king size, I guess. I guess it's king size. Yeah, this is Southeast Asia, so you leave your shoes outside. Because I'm a gentleman. And you wear these socks. You wear these slippers. Slippers with socks. Because not only am I a gentleman, I'm also a New Yorker. There you go. The North Face. What? Angkor Wat. And a nice screen, nice TV here, maybe 42 inches. And as you can see, I've been drinking Louis Escognac, de Cognac. I like how they put the flowers on the bed. That's really nice. It's a nice touch. Oh, these slippers are sticky. I guess I'll walk in my socks. As you can see, I've got 2 remotes over there in the corner. A telephone, I can call somebody. A little bed. And this is so cool. The flower, some type of 4-leaf clover or something, I don't know. Got a wardrobe here with 2 umbrellas. Awesome. Then a receipt for, I guess, for when I drink all of their liquor. They have this interesting outside part, but I don't see myself using it too much. It's just outside with the bed and the table. 2 towels and towelettes, a sink, and there's me again. Of course, we have the bathroom. Standard bathroom to do your business. I don't want to ruin the surprise. Here it is. This is the kicker. Look at that. It's a fucking spa in your room. Look at that. And there's stairs that lead to it. Look at that. With seats and everything. I can use these to shower with, shampoo, body foam, and hair conditioner. And the rocks to do rock things with. And then rainfall shower. Look at that. It's magnificent. All right, we'll close this door. In the bathroom, you can see into the spa. Awesome. I like this place. Khmer Mansion Residence. I'd say it's worth every penny so far.